mystery deepens as police UAV is evaded. You're in pursuit of 50 drones. As you can see, things are getting very serious here with this situation with these mystery drones over New Jersey since November 18. Over 1,000 of them have been reported, sightings have been reported, and a New York airport had been closed down because of these drones. The police department in New Jersey reported that a drone it had sent up to investigate was unable to apprehend the objects. The mystery surrounding the appearance of the countless unidentified drones above air bases and reservoirs and other facilities in the US and UK and Europe has become so widespread that it's now graced the headlines of just about every newspaper in the Western world. So it seems like it's not just the East Coast of the United States, but also Europe and the United Kingdom. Does that mean, where does your mind go to when you hear this? We've seen where drones have been used recently, okay? And now they're showing up here. Multiple instances of drone incursions have been reported, sometimes involving dozens at a time, and authorities are still struggling to determine who is sending them and for what purpose. And, you know, to me, it's intimidation. Usually drones are quite small. These are small SUVs, so they're huge. Why are they so huge? There could be tiny ones that are not being sighted because they're small. But these big ones, to me, is a statement of intimidation. It's like saying, what are you going to do about this? You can't get us down. What are we going to do? Start dropping out of the skies over populated areas? Now, some have speculated that the drones have been sent to scout out potential targets for attack, perhaps by Iran or Russia, while others maintain that the whole thing has been blown out of proportion. Recently, police department in New Jersey, a state that has already been at the center of this phenomenon, reported that it had sent up an industrial-grade drone of its own to pursue a group of 50 unidentified drones that had crossed over onto land from the ocean. So they came from the ocean. The U.S. Coast Guard also sighted 13 drones with an estimated wingspan of 8 feet following one of its boats. So it's not aircraft then. It's obviously they are drones. And they're not aircraft that various authorities were saying they could be. They're not. They're drones. If the police and the Coast Guard saying they've come from the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, okay? So at the end, the police drone reportedly failed to apprehend the objects, which easily evaded it before seemingly disappearing into thin air. This is unbelievable. This is, to me, totally unbelievable and totally unacceptable that it's been going on for almost a month. If this is not the military, it is even more terrifying, said News Nation reporter Rich McHugh. These things look like they are fixed wing and have multiple lights. Despite the unnerving nature of the phenomenon, however, White House National Security Communications Advisor John Kirby insisted on Friday that the public had nothing to fear. How would he know if he doesn't know who's behind them? Most of the drone sightings are simply misidentified conventional aircraft, he said. He did, however, urge members of the public to report any unusual activity and admitted that authorities are still struggling to get to the bottom of some of these sightings. This is from Mail Online on Unexplained Mysteries by T.K. Randall. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.